Okay, so I'm talking on building scalable Web3 application for those doing front end. So first of all, about me, my name is Amani Kanu. I'm a tech advocate. I do a lot of things. I'm a community person. I'm a senior front end engineer. I love to bring people to tech. And also, one thing about me is that people call me the tech evangelist. I don't know why. Okay, let's go. So, understanding Web3. So, for us to really do justice to it as a front-end engineer, first of all, you need to understand what is Web3. Web3 is the decentralized web. Is a decentralized web powered by blockchain technology, and is also Web3 focus on ownership, transparency, and control of data by users. Web3 eliminate the middleman, like what we have, like the government. It enhance security and privacy. So the next one is overview of Web3. One is that Web3 represent the next evolution of internet. The next one is that Web3 focus on user ownership, data privacy, and blockchain-driven application. The next one is there's a major shift from Web 2 to Web 3. Sorry, I'm trying to rush so that I'll meet up with my time because I have like 5 minutes left. Okay. So importance of scalable and user-friendly application, which is decentralized application with ADAP, dApps. One is as the success of Web3 relies on building applications that are not only decentralized but scalable and easy to use. Two is that user experience remain a critical factor in mass adoption. So for us to be able to adopt Web3, there's that user experience that must be ahead to for people to adopt it. And then the next one is scalability challenge, like some of the previous speakers have said about this. So the next one is the rule of modern front end framework. One is that front end framework like React, Next provide tools to build interactive, very fast, and responsive user application. They help bridge the gap between decentralized technology and end user by delivering familiar, smooth user interface. The next one is that enable developers to handle state routing very seamlessly. So if you are coming from the Web 2, it's easy for you to move to Web 3 with this. So how front-end framework enhance Web 3? That's with ADAP performance. One, efficient state management. To optimize rendering techniques like applying improve load time and responsive. The next one is the scalable architecture, support growing user base and complex ADA functionality. So the next one, integrating Web3 into what we are doing now, integration of Web3 technology. One, what you need to do. You set up your environment. How do you set up your environment? By installing Node.js, React, and Next. The next thing you need to do is you need to choose the right tools. What are the right tools for front-end engineer? One, you need to either use WebJS, Web3.js, or EarthJS. These are like tools that you can use to connect directly to write on the block or read from the block. The next one is the state management. You can use any of the state management that you have. So I'm trying to rush. So best practice to build a scalable dApp. One is that you need to optimize the performance. From your React application, you can lazy load, go split, do your rendering, efficient rendering. And also for efficient state management, you can use Context API, Redux, Global State, and every other state management tool. The next one is handling large-scale transaction. For you to handle large-scale transaction, you can do batch processing and also do manage scalable API and node. Okay, so I'm almost at the end now. I hope I'm in time. So building a scalable web application means designing for the future. And I want us to do this. The only bad question is the one not asked. Turn to your neighbor and ask a question because you don't know if that your neighbor is the next happening thing. Connect and connect and connect. Ask anybody question. Okay, so thank you. Is there any other question for me? Is there any question for me? Any question for me? Okay, no question. Thank you.